Hi there, today we're going to learn about how to add a schema markup into your Squarespace website. So first of all, if you don't know what is schema markup, I open this reference website right here. So schema markup is also called a structured data, and it is a type of code you add to your website to help search engines understand your content better. It makes your content eligible to have search engines like Google show extra details in search results. So as you can see, when you're using Google's, for example, I want to search something. Just search, say I just want to search ASDF. So the schema markup helps Google to display more information into the search results, such as this one on its descriptions. The schema markup isn't actually something visual or something you add to your website to make it visually appealing. It's just something in it on the background so that search engines can show your website and its information. So moving on to how to create a schema markup. So let's just click on edit and find an area you want to add schema markup. So it doesn't matter where you add it since it's just embedded into the website. So I want to add the schema markup here in the blank section. We just need to click on add block and then click on search code and then click on code. So there will be a sample block that will be added on your website. And then in order to create a schema markup, you can use different schema generators. There's a lot of schema generators out there, such as Google and so on and so forth, but I wanted to use this one, schema markup generator of technicalseo.com. For example, we want to add different schemas. For example, I want to add a schema markup for the frequently asked questions page. Then I can just insert my question, for example, just put in some example question and answer. And then as you can see, the code right here on the right side of the screen added our sample question and answer. So if you want to add this to your website, you can just click here, click this icon right here to copy it. Or if you prefer, you can just highlight the code and then copy it as well. So it'll just be the same. Then go back to your Squarespace website, click on edit, and then you can add the code. And then you will see here that the block contains embedded scripts. Embedded scripts are disabled while you're logged in and editing your site. So don't worry, because when you actually launch your website, this block right here won't be visible on the actual working website that you're going to use. But if you want to double check your schema code as well, you can go to schema.org and click on validate. And then my website is in Filipino. Let's change let's change it after I run the test. For example, there. So here's your test, your structured data. And you have two buttons right here. Let's click on code snippet. And then I'll just paste the code that we created in the schema markup generator, and then we run the test. So as we can see, the schema markup has no errors and no warnings, and that means it is good to put on our website. And then that is it for this tutorial. Hope you learned how to add a schema markup into your Squarespace website. Thank you for watching.